Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, enter Google Pay. Tap Get Started. And now reset the app. Because the app interface has changed. As you can see, this is the new homepage of Google Pay, and from here you can add a payment method and different types of cards. Then you can check all your payment methods, full list of participating banks, and your full activity. Next we've got settings, where you can turn on or off email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can edit account info. Then we've got contactless setup, where you can set payment method, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as default, if your phone has set a screen lock, and if your phone meets security requirements. Then we've got help and support and feedback, and access to our Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.